Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Most repeated 1000 MCQ series, part number 26, question number 701. Who is Shahid-e Millat? Benazir Bhutto, Liaquat Ali Khan, Quaid-e-Azam, none. The correct answer, Liaquat Ali Khan. Oxygen was discovered by James Watson, Joseph Priestley, Einstein, none. The correct answer, Joseph Priestley discovered the oxygen. Is fungi type of plant or animal? Plant, animal, both, neither plant nor animal. The correct answer, neither plant nor animal. Who invented the radar? Heinrich Hertz, Christopher, Robert Watson, Watt, or all of the above? The correct answer, all of the above, invented the radar. 1 mile is equal to 1 kilometer, 1.5 kilometer, 1.6 kilometer. 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometer. Das Kapital is written by. The famous book of communism, Das Kapital, is written by Stanley Walpole, Ernest Hemingway, Karl Marx, none. The correct answer, Karl Marx, is written the famous book Das Kapital. Who is the father of social sciences? Stanley Walpole, David Emily, Karl Marx, none. The correct answer, David Emily Durkheim, is the father of social sciences. Tawbatun Nasuh, famous novel, was written by Maulana Zafar Ali Khan, Maulana Altaf Hussain, Deputy Nazir Ahmad, none. The correct answer, Deputy Nazir Ahmad. Tawbatun Nasuh was written by Deputy Nazir Ahmad. Zamindar newspaper is written by Maulana Zafar Ali Khan, Maulana Altaf Hussain, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, none. The correct answer, Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. The famous newspaper Zamindar was written by Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. How many districts of Balochistan province? 34, 35, 36, 39. The correct answer, 36 districts of Balochistan. How many divisions of Balochistan province? 5, 7, 9. The correct answer, 7. 7 divisions of Balochistan province. How many populations of Balochistan province? 10 million, 12 million, 14 million, or 16 million? The correct answer, 12.34 million population of Balochistan. Who is the governor of Balochistan? Murad Ali, Kamran, Abdul Wali, Kakar, Qasim Ali Shah. The correct answer, Abdul Wali Kakar, is the governor of Balochistan. Who is the chief minister of Balochistan? Murad Ali Shah, Kamran, Abdul Qaddus Bazinjo, Qasim Ali Shah. The correct answer, Abdul Qaddus Bazinjo, is the chief minister of Balochistan province. Who is the speaker of the Balochistan assembly? Murad Ali Shah, Kamran, Jan Muhammad Jamali, Qasim Ali Shah. The correct answer, Jan Muhammad Jamali, is the speaker of Balochistan assembly. Who is the deputy speaker of Balochistan assembly? Murad Ali Shah, Sardar Babar, Agha Siraj Durrani, Miss Rehana Lagari. The correct answer, Sardar Babar Khan, is the deputy speaker of Balochistan assembly. The total budget of Balochistan for the year 2023 to 24, 750 billion, 850 billion, 950 billion, or 1500 billion. The correct answer, 750 billion, is the total budget of Balochistan. Largest mine of Balochistan, Rikodik, Tharkol, salt mine, none. The correct answer, Rikodik, is the largest mine of Balochistan. Coastal line of Balochistan, 650 km, 750, 800 km, none. The correct answer, 800 km. What is the population of Quetta in 2023? 1,36,000, 11 lakh 90,000, 12 lakh 90,000, none. The correct answer, 11 lakh 90,000. Population of Quetta. What is the growth rate of Quetta? 1.59, 2.59, 3.59. Correct answer, 2.59% is the growth rate of Quetta. What is the area of Balochistan province? 147,190 km. Yet 2,47,190 km. Yet 3,47,190 km. The correct answer, 3,47,190 km. Who is the IG of Balochistan province? Dr. Kamran Abdul Khalik Sheikh, Ghulam Nabi Mehman, none. The correct answer, Abdul Khalik Sheikh, is the IG of Balochistan police. Who is the educational minister of Balochistan? Dr. Kamran Abdul Rahim Khan Zirtwal, Said Ghani, none. The correct answer, Abdul Rahim Khan Zirtwal, is the education minister of Balochistan. Who is the opposition leader of Balochistan Assembly? Dr. Kamran Fazal, Malik Skandar Khan, Said Ghani, none. The correct answer, Malik Skandar Khan, is the opposition leader of Balochistan Assembly. Thanks a lot watching my videos. Thank you.